Hello everybody, Andrea Majewski here with Epicure. So let's talk about what is happening this month, the month of August. So we have our meal prep and store like a pro package. So this is our host exclusive, meaning if you are a host or a consultant, this is the only way to get this amazing package. And this is only $14.95 Canadian or $12.95 US. This would normally cost $29.90 Canadian or $25.90 US. So this is an amazing price. It comes with the container and a lid. The best part is you can put them in the dishwasher. I don't do a lot of hand washing unless I really have to. I wash my pots and pans in the sink, but I really try to put as much as I can in the dishwasher. So this is an amazing set for all of August, our host exclusive. If you are a consultant, we still have our summer swag challenge, meaning if you can close at least 2 qualified cooking classes by the 15th of the month, then you will get a free product. This month it is this amazing tote, and this is so helpful. Like I've had one of these from last year, and like you can put all kinds of things in there, all kinds of things. So this is a nice thing to have. Last month in July, it was a beach towel, and in June, it was a sarong. So we have some pretty nice things. And if you can get it for all 3 months, then you will have a new product prize pack next month, which is equivalent to $50 worth of products. So that's pretty cool. So that's exciting for us consultants to just kind of work a little bit harder and to introduce Epicure to more and more people. And another thing that I want to mention is they are actually having something where it will be the largest cooking class ever. So this will be online August 18th at 4 p.m. So put it in your calendars. It is 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. I believe Pacific time. So I need to double check what time that is for me, Eastern time. But how cool is this? So this is a big cooking class. So basically you can invite your customers to this cooking class to just sort of learn about Epicure, what it's all about. They have never done anything like this before, so this is actually kind of cool. And you don't have to do any of the work for the cooking class. You just have to invite people, right? And it's pretty cool too, because the month of August, for everybody you sponsor, you will get $50. So that's pretty cool. I sponsored 2 or 3 new people last month. Kind of wish it was this month to get the extra money, but that's okay. It just means the more people you share this opportunity with, the better, because then you can get some cash on the side. And for this month only, they have a new host offer. So every single host will earn 1 extra half price item when their cooking class achieves 500 or more in sales. So that's another way to kind of push your hosts to work a little bit harder, sell a little bit more, because then they will get some extra free stuff. So that's pretty cool, right? And another thing is for us consultants, if you want to purchase some business cards or things from Vistaprint, you can save 33% off between August 4 and 6. So the 4th and the 6th, so not too much time, but it's just kind of nice to save that little bit extra, right? So thank you guys for watching. Good luck for the month of August, and I will see you guys very, very soon.